What's up guys? It's raining, but it's not a big deal. Cause I'm gonna travel to Yosu eventually. Do you guess where I am? What's this feeling? An eerie, uncanny sensation, right? I think it is the most gorgeous hotel in my life. Where did I watch this world? You know what? It's not a miracle. One of the most interesting things is that the minibar was free of charge. And I drank 여수밤바다 soju with wonderful seashell dishes. Second bottle. Indulge yourself with seashells. And it's 여수밤바다 again. 여수밤바다. I like the General Lee's lager. Fan service. Little pig again. See ya.